Hello everyone, welcome to Techie Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Audacity in your Windows 10 computer. So what you need to do first is open any browser and then search for download Audacity, and then click on the first link, which is from audacityteam.org. And here you can see that we have the option to download Audacity for Windows 7 and Windows 10. So let's click here and then scroll down a bit, and as you can see here, it says that your download will start in a few seconds, and the download just started. So let's wait a few seconds until the download finish, and the download is complete. So let's click on it. Now click on yes. Now let's minimize our browser, and then from here you can select the language. I'm just going to keep it English, and then click on OK, and then click on next, and then click on next again. You can read the license agreement here. Now from here you can select the location where you want to install Audacity. I'm just going to leave it as default, and then click on next again. Now if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can keep this box checked. I'm going to keep it checked as well, and then click on next, and then click on install, and it's going to take a few seconds to install Audacity, and it's done. Now click on next, and here you can see that the Audacity icon here, and if you keep this box checked and click on finish, the Audacity will launch. And there you go. So let's click OK here, and then click OK here. So here is the Audacity interface, and from here you can start working right away. And if we click on file, you can open new file, or you can import files from your computer. And that's it for today. In the next video, I will show you how to edit audio in Audacity and a lot of other things. So stay tuned for that. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.